inspect the exhaust, see what's going on, and go from there. This is where I think it's leaking at. I don't know.
Oh, hey, that's kind of lunch. Hey, I think I got it.
Pretty sure that'd be the problem. Oh, bad.
So, there's quite a gap in there.
Yeah.
Let me take that squeegee real quick and get some of the excess water.
Right there.
I know I set up. I was telling you what I was doing.
That's fine. So, we've got a leak on the exhaust. You can't really see. Right here. The bolts are rotted out, so we're going to replace the bolts for them real fast. Hopefully we don't need anything else, and this will last them for another year or two.
Need anything else but a flame
Yeah, hopefully we don't need flames.
or a grinder?
No, I got cut off with some grinders. We're good there. We will be fine there.
Yeah.
So both of those bolts are broken. Talking to YouTube. Not broken, but rotten. So we're going to replace these. Looks like the gasket's still intact. So I think what we're going to do is try and cut these off, the heads of these off, so we can get the exhaust out and deal with this flame.
It's called a heat shield for a reason. It's called a heat shield for a reason.
Why, it took all the heat?
Yeah.
That's hot.
Yeah. I'm bored. Oh.
See if I can tap that in. I'm gonna get this.
Yeah. Watch where you're grabbing. It's kind of hot.
No kidding.
I mean, you hear?
It's sizzling.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Is He's all rusted out.
He's missing this little factory plate.
Yeah,
That happens.
it'll be fine.
It's all cosmetic.
It's all recommendations. It's not needed.
Exhaust gasket.
Oh.
The YJ? Yeah.
Oh, keeping the roll cage?
Aren't you keeping the roll cage?
Yes.
Well, what was your idea?
We need to make the frame to make the harness for turbo for the Jeep.
I mean, we can do that. Just extend the metal.
I mean, yeah. Oh wait, no, I did see the inside of the
She doesn't like when I went to Southington how much. I'm just saying. But if it makes her more comfortable, we'll put it in.
For the dog is one thing. For you guys, I wouldn't even waste my time. Not right now.
Not right now.
That'd be the last thing I worry about.
The shame is it's shaped like a fucking brick.
That's the Jeep for you. Oh, look, yeah, see? Heat shield. Rattle, 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 rattle. You heard that rattle, right?
Yeah, I heard it.
So what do we do with heat shield? No more rattle.
No more rattle.
Heat shield's gone.
That works.
It sounds good. Nice and quiet. No more rattle. I didn't do it.
No, you did do it.
No, I did not do it.
The stock light cat eyes.
What's that?
I like the stock light cat eyes. I like it darkened.
So what's next?
Pulling that thing in.
Oh, you're done?
It was just the exhaust, the 2 bolts.
That's it?
That's what took us all day.
Damn.
2 bolts.
And that's all that was making
Where'd
the
my
noise.
drink go?
Making the noise.
Between the 2 bolts and the heat shield I tossed over there next to the jack,
Yeah.
that waffle looking thing,
I know what shield is.
yeah, that was all it was.
Really?
I'm gonna go put this back in the seat and call it my lucky 10.
You'll lose it in like 5 minutes.
Nope. It's been in there. How long have you had that truck?
That's why it's been in there for how long I've had the truck, because it's been sitting over there.
What's up?
Actually, it was in there.
Nothing.
What are you looking
You know what I mean, damn it.
I know.